So, good evening, Naina. And I, Atul, Adate, offer you a very warm welcome in today's Vedic Maths lecture. By the way, I am Atul Adate. I am engineering graduate. I teach Vedic Maths. I have been teaching Vedic Maths since 2001. And today I am here to teach you Vedic Maths technique. And Vedic Maths is famous all over the world for fast calculation. And with the help of Vedic Maths, we can do calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square, square root, cube, and cube root fast and accurately. And today we are going to learn Vedic method of multiplication. So take a notebook and pen, write in it. So today we are going to learn first method of multiplication. And first method of multiplication is vertical cross vertical method. So write down that first method is vertical cross vertical method. And with the help of this method, by using Vedic method, we can write answer in a single line, in one line. So let's learn vertical cross vertical method. And to learn this method, take an example here. 31 multiplied by 32. Now initially, let's solve this example by using school method. Then we'll solve same example by using Vedic method, and then we'll see the difference between both the methods. So initially, let's solve this example by using school method. And according to school method, we first multiply 31 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Then we multiply 31 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Then we add both the numbers to get final answer. So first line, second line, and third line. So we got answer in third line. But by using Vedic method, we can write answer in a single line. So let's learn how to write answer in a single line. So let's learn vertical cross vertical method. See, there are three steps in this method. Step number 1 is vertical, step number 2 is cross, and step number 3 is vertical. So let's learn vertical cross vertical method. And to understand this concept, let's convert these numbers into small circles. Now, step number 1 is vertical. So for first step, for rightmost step, draw vertical line between rightmost circles. For first step, for right step, draw vertical line between rightmost circles. Now step number 2 is cross. So for second step, for middle step, draw cross lines between all these circles. And for last step, for leftmost step, draw vertical line between leftmost circles. Now step number 1 is vertical. So for first step, draw vertical line between rightmost numbers 1 and 2. For right part, multiply 1 by 2. Now 2 ones are 2. So right part of the answer is 2. Now for middle part, apply cross formula. So initially multiply 3 by 2, 3 to the 6, then multiply 3 by 1, 3. Now add 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So middle part of the answer is 9. And for left part, draw vertical line between leftmost numbers 3 and 3. So for left part, multiply 3 by 3. Now 3 3s are 9. So left part of the answer is 9. So final answer is 992. Now let's learn how to write answer in a single line. Okay. So draw 3 lines, 3 parts in answer. Then draw vertical cross formula. Now for right part, for right part, multiply rightmost numbers 1 and 2. 2 ones are 2. So right part of the answer is 2. For a middle part, apply cross formula. So 3 to the 6, 3 ones are 3. 6 plus 3, 9. And last part, multiply 3 by 3, 9. So 992 is the answer. Okay. Let's solve one more example here. To understand this concept, let's solve one more example here.
So
So
does this formula applies only for 2D numbers or even for 3D
3 digit
numbers?
also. Bilkul, 3 digit also. Bilkul. Okay. So take an example here. 31 into 31. Now draw 3 parts. For right part, multiply rightmost numbers 1 and 1, which is 1. For middle part, apply cross formula. Means 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And last part, 3 3s are 9. So 961 is the answer. Now, next question for you. So Naina, take an example here. Next question for you. 21 into 31. So tell me, what is step number 1, Naina? You can unmute your mic.
1 ones are 1.
Bilkul. Now what is step number 2?
2 ones are 2. 3 ones are 3 is equals to 5.
Super. And last step?
3 twos are 6.
So what if an answer?
651.
Super. Excellent. Now next question. 41 into 51. Now tell me. First step. 1 ones are?
1 ones are 1.
Second step. 4 ones
2
are?
ones are 4. 5 ones are 5 is equals to 9.
Superb. Last
4
part?
fives are 20. 2091. 20.
Super beta. Excellent. Absolutely correct answer. Next question. 22 into 31. Now tell me. 2 ones are?
2 ones are 2.
Second step.
3 twos are 6. 2 ones are 2. 8. 3
Bilkul.
twos are 6.
So what if an answer?
682.
Superb. Excellent beta. Next question. 21 into 71. Now tell me. 1 ones are?
1 ones are 1. 7 ones are 7. 2 ones are 2 is equals to 9. 7 twos are 14.
Bilkul.
140.
Super beta. Excellent. Now let's learn carry over concept. Let's learn carry over rule, carry over concept. So Naina, take an example here. 52 multiplied by 52. 52 into 52. Now initially multiply 2 by 2. So tell me 2 to the
2 twos are 4.
Bilkul. Now crosswise multiply 5 to the
5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10.
now
20.
Bilkul. Now 20 is a two digit number. So write 0 here, carry over 2. So take 2 here, write 2 here. Okay. Last part 5 5 are
25.
plus 2.
27.
Superb. So what final answer beta?
2704.
Superb. Excellent. One more example. 54 into 54. Now tell me. 4 fours are
4 fours are 16.
start 6 here. 1 carry over.
Okay. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. 40 plus 1, 41.
बिल्कुल 1 here. 4 carry over. Last part.
5 fives are 25. 29.
बिल्कुल. So different answer.
2916.
Super beta. Excellent beta. Now next question. Next example. Next example. 61 into 61. Now tell me. 1 ones are
1 ones are 1.
बिल्कुल
6
6
ones are 6. 6 ones are 6 is equal to 12.
बिल्कुल
1 carry. 6 6 are 64. 6, sorry, 18. Sorry. 36 plus 1, 37.
बिल्कुल. So different answer.
37 to 1.
बिल्कुल. Super. Next question. 81 into 81. Now tell me. 1 ones are
1 ones are 1. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 8s are 64.
8
Uh,
plus 8.
8 plus 8 plus 8.
हाँ
16.
बिल्कुल 16. 1 carry over. Last part. 8 8s are
8 8 is 64. 65.
so what is final answer?
6561.
बिल्कुल. Superb. Excellent. Now next question. 24 into 24. Now tell me. 4 fours are
4 4s are 16.
बिल्कुल.
Then 1 carry.
हम्म
2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 17. 16 plus 1 17.
बिल्कुल. Super beta.
2
Last
2s
part.
are 4. 5.
बिल्कुल. So what is final answer?
576.
Superb. Excellent. Next question. Next example. 32 into 32. Now tell me. 2 to the
2 2s are 4.
बिल्कुल.
2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 12.
बिल्कुल.
2 1 carry. 3 is 9. 10. 1024.
Super beta. Excellent beta. Absolutely correct answer. Good beta. Next question. Next example. Next example. 51 into 52. Now tell me. 2 ones
2
are
ones are 2.
mm-hmm.
2 5s are 10. 0 1 carry.
5 ones are
5 ones are 5. 15.
बिल्कुल.
5 are 25. 26.
बिल्कुल. So final answer.
2652.
बिल्कुल. Super. Excellent. Next question.
Are both the numbers either need to be equal or the subsequent numbers? Because I see both the
See,
examples, either it's
we
a
can
square or the subsequent number.
we can take any kind of example. बिल्कुल. So take an example here. Suppose 34 into 52. बिल्कुल. All numbers are different. Okay. So tell me. 4 to the
2 4s are 8.
बिल्कुल. Now 3 to the
3 2s are 6.
5 4 are
5 4s are 20. 26.
super. Last step.
5 2s are 15. 16 17.
So what is final answer?
1764. 68.
बिल्कुल. Super. Excellent. Next question. Next example. 84 into 51. Now tell me. 4 ones are
4 ones are 4.
8
5
ones are
4s, 8 ones are 8.
mm-hmm.
5 4s are 20. 28.
Super.
8 5s are 40. 40, 41, 42.
Super beta. Excellent beta. Superb. Excellent. Next question. Next example. 94 into 51. Okay. First step. 4 ones are
4 ones are 4. 9 ones are 9. 5 4s are 20.
mm-hmm.
29.
बिल्कुल.
9 5s are 45. 46. 47.
What is final answer?
4794.
Superb. Excellent beta. Super beta. Excellent. Next question. Next example. 22 into 54. First step. 4 to the
4 2s are 8.
then 4 to the
4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10.
mm-hmm.
18.
बिल्कुल.
5 to the 10, 11.
So what is final answer?
1188.
Superb. Excellent, beta. Absolutely correct answer. Next question. Next example. Next example. 44 into 55. Now tell me. 5 4s are?
5 4s are 20.
Mm-hmm.
5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 40. 42.
Very good.
5 4s are 20. 24.
So what is final answer?
2420.
Superb. Excellent, beta. Absolutely correct answer. Next example. Next question. 36 into 11. First step. 6
6
ones are?
1s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 6 1s are 6. 9.
Mm-hmm.
3 1s are 3.
So what is final answer?
396.
Superb. Excellent, beta. Now next question. Next example. 22 into 66. First step. 6 to the?
6 to the 12.
Mm-hmm.
1 carry. 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. 24. 25.
Superb.
6 to the 12. 13. 14.
Bilkul. So what is final answer?
1452.
Superb. Excellent, beta. Absolutely correct answer. Next question. Next example. Next example. 75 into 21. Now tell me. 5 ones are?
5 1s are 5.
Mm-hmm.
7 1s are 7. 5 2s are 10.
Mm-hmm.
17.
Mm-hmm.
7 2s are 14. 15.
Bilkul.
1575.
Super, beta. Excellent. Absolutely correct answer. Now last question. Last example. Last question. 11 into 99. Now tell me. 9 ones are?
9 1s are 9.
Mm-hmm.
9 1s are 9. 9 1s are 9. 18.
Mm-hmm.
9 1s are 9. 10.
So what is the final answer?
1089.
Very good. Superb. Excellent. So today we took your exam, and Naina, your exam score is 95%. So congrats, Naina, for scoring 95% marks in Vedic Maths exam. So congrats, Naina.
Thank you, sir.
Now take examples for homework. Okay, so take examples for homework. First example, 32 into 52. Second example, 43 into 65. And last example, 85 into 24. So there are 3 questions for homework. So solve all the examples. After solving all the examples, take a photo of the solved examples and then share that photo. Send that photo to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 9511033044. Okay. So today we learn 2-digit multiplication method. Bilkul. So in our course, in our next lecture, we learn 3-digit multiplication method. Example, 731 into 524. So we'll take these type of numbers in our next lecture. So we learn 3-digit multiplication in our next lecture. Bilkul. Well, so that's all for today.